Okay, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm filming my learning activity on Duolingo.com. I'm learning Arabic now. I started learning Arabic here last week on Saturday, and now it's Friday, so it's been a week. I'm learning here. I finished checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2, checkpoint 3, and it's the last topic here. It's about food now. Uh, So this one is the second lesson of the first level about food. Okay, now which one of these is bread? Hubs, hubs, hubs,
خبز
hubs. Okay, correct the pronunciation. Yes, go on. Tea, shy,
شاي.
shy. Oh,
الأستاذة تريد الشاي.
al-ustada, female teacher. Al, the professor. Turid, turid once. تريد الشاي wants the or the without the. Okay, let's check. Is it correct? The professor wants the al-ustadha تريد الشاي. Check. Yeah, use the. Oh, sorry. Actually, in English grammar, we don't need to use the. I think.
هذا المطعم غالي صحيح؟
هذا المطعم. This restaurant. this مطعم restaurant. This restaurant غالي. Expensive. Expensive. صحيح, correct? Check. Okay.
نعم أريد شايا الآن.
نعم, yes. أريد. I want شاي. شايان. Tea. I want tea now. How to pronounce?
نعم أريد شايا الآن.
Oh, نعم أريد شايان an, because there is al there after tanwin, we must put the noun shayanil an become like that, not shayal, but shayanil an, shayanil an, tanwin meet with al. Okay, check. Correct.
من يريد خبزا؟
man yurid, who, wants khubz and bread, wants bread. Correct.
هل تريد الحمص يا محمود؟
Hummus. What is hummus? Do you want hummus? Do the hummus. Mahmoud. Check. Correct.
علي يريد حمصا.
Ali wants hummus. Check. Correct.
أريد خبزا.
I want bread. Check. Correct.
علي يريد حمصا. علي يريد حمصا.
Hummusan. So many.
أريد شايا.
I want tea. Shayan. That's the plural maybe. I don't know.
هل تريد شايا الآن يا عمر؟
Do you want shayan الآن? Do you want tea now? Omar. Check. Correct.
بوب لا يريد حمصا صحيح؟
Bob لا يريد doesn't want hummus. Correct. Right. Oh, good, Eva. Thank
نعم
you.
هذا صحيح.
Yes, this is correct. Check.
سامية تريد خبزا.
Samia wants خبز bread.
هل تريدين الحمص يا جودي؟
Do you want the hummus? Jadi, chat, yes,
لا
correct.
أريد شايا شكرا.
I don't want. لا أريد tea. شكرا. Thank you. Check. Correct.
الأستاذة تريد شايا.
الأستاذ. The professor wants tea. Check. Correct.
هل تريدين حمصا اليوم؟
Do you want hummus اليوم today? Check.
أريد خبزا وشايا.
I want bread and tea. Check. Correct.
الأستاذة تريد الشاي.
The professor wants the tea. Check. Correct. Finish lesson 2 of the first level. Yes, you have 57 XP today. Continue. Yeah. Okay, so I'm finished now here. You see that? Okay, so after if I reach level 1 here, level 1 here, and also this one level 1, so these two topics will be activated about phone and family. I have finished check. This one is checkpoint 4, checkpoint 4, right? This one is checkpoint 3, checkpoint 2, finish. Checkpoint 1, finish. Okay, it's me here, number 1, 1423 XP now. And here, all time XP, I'm number 4 now, 2098 XP. Okay, I finished many topics here. Yeah, actually because if I didn't make any mistake, sometimes Duolingo offered me to jump up to next level. For example, in the first lesson of level 1, maybe if I finish without mistake, sometimes I can jump up to the next level like that. Yeah. Okay, so because I'm busy now, I have a meeting after this, so I will continue later to the next video. Okay, everybody, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you think this video is useful, you can share it to your friends. Okay, I think that's all. See you. Ma'as salama.